can continue.
Yes, sir.
Sumit sir, is the PPT is visible?
No, no, no. You present now.
I think there is some issue with my meeting. I'll just check it once.
Sachin,
Now,
you're now
now, now,
visible.
now it's visible.
Okay, okay, okay.
Now it's visible. You go to next slide.
Just a minute.
Okay. So now we can start. So, Namaste and good evening, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Delhi Technological University, I, Dr. Sumit Kale, coordinator of this short-term training program, and assistant professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, welcome you all in valedictory ceremony of 1 week online short-term training program on emerging nanoscale devices, circuits, and its application, NanoDC 21, organized by Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Delhi Technological University from May 10 to 14, 2021. I am privileged to welcome all the participants to celebrate this truthful journey we had together and convener of this short-term training program, the source of inspiration behind every effort of us, Professor N.S. Raghava sir, HOD ECE Department DTU, all the faculty members of ECE Department and team members in this valedictory session. I am very happy that we have successfully completed this 1 week short-term training program. This program aims to increase the knowledge of participants through interaction with eminent personality of academics. In every day, we had 2 sessions. In each session, nearly 100 participants were attended. I am very thankful to all the participants who have registered and attended this program, followed all the instructions, actively involved in discussion, and regularly filled session feedback. I hope that every participant gets benefited from this short-term training program. This program would be helpful for the participants for their understanding, to know about the future scope of the technology and research opportunities on nanoscale devices and circuits. This online 5-day HTTP provides in-depth knowledge of emerging nanoscale devices such as gallium nitride based devices, organic field effect transistor, tunnel field effect transistor, etc., and its fundamentals, limitation, and various applications. Also, explored various aspects to design, analysis, and implementation of neuromorphic circuit, perform in-memory computing, and mapping neural network to hardware. Moreover, discuss the techniques of high-speed circuit design and covered reliability and security issues in VLSI circuit and system. This program could not have been possible without the continuous encouragement, support, and guidance of Head of the EC Department, respected Professor N.S. Raghava sir. Thank you very much, sir, for all your support from beginning to successfully completed this program. Also, I am thankful to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Yogesh Singh sir, for giving this opportunity for organizing this short-term training program. VC sir always motivated and supported faculty members to conduct such type of program. I am also thankful to co-coordinator of this program, Mr. Sachin Dhariwal, Assistant Professor ECE Department, who has supported me in every step to conduct this program smoothly. Thank you, sir. Also, the faculty members of ECE Department who motivated and helped us in all the manner to conduct this short-term training program. Also, I am thankful to Delhi Technological University for giving financial support to conduct this program. Now, I will summarize this short-term training program starting from first day 10/5/2021 to last day today 14/5/2021. In day 1, first session, Dr. Subhankar Majumdar, Assistant Professor NIT Meghalaya, delivered a talk on gallium nitride HEMT based power amplifier design, where he had discussed about gallium nitride based devices, its basics, and its main application to design a power amplifier. We got a deep insight of simulation tools and procedures to design power amplifier specifically for communication system. In second session, Dr. Jawar Singh, Associate Professor IIT Patna, delivered a talk on devices and circuits for neuromorphic in-memory computing, where he discussed about the power efficient capability of human brain for processing information and the computer architecture which are inspired by human brain. He also depth about in-memory computing by taking SRAM and DRAM as memory structures for the computation. In day two, first session, Dr. Mahesh Kumar, Associate Professor, IIT Jodhpur, delivered a talk on 2D materials-based gas sensor, where he had discussed the growth of MOS2-based gas sensor to detect mainly nitrogen dioxide, which is harmful to humans and environment. Also explored various gas sensors, the need of gas sensor, its fundamental characterization, fabrication, and advantages and limitations. In addition, he has also covered detection of formaldehyde. In second session, Dr. Subham Sahai, Assistant Professor IIT Kanpur, delivered a talk on neuromorphic computing, mapping neural network to hardware, where he discussed the need of non-von Neumann computing. He also discussed basic structure and working of RRM and challenges related to it. He also side of how a neural network can be mapped to the hardware. We also of neural network. In day three, first session, Dr. Sri Prakash Tiwari, Associate Professor, IIT Jodhpur, delivered a talk on high performance organic transistor and memory for flexible electronic application, where he had introduced flexible electronics, its applications, organic transistor, its fundamentals, construction, operation, parameter extension, and its circuit application. Also discussed how to design a high performance organic transistor, what are the challenges, limitations, and also discuss about the emerging memory technology. In second session, Dr. Mahendra Sakre, Assistant Professor, IIT Ropar, delivered a talk on techniques for broadband circuit design, where he discussed about the high-speed circuit design techniques for chip-to-chip communication. He also discussed various distributed equalization techniques, and these techniques are useful in achieving high-speed chip-to-chip communication. Also, in day four, first session, Dr. Dharmendra Singh Yadav, Assistant Professor, NIT Hamirpur, delivered a talk on emerging development in micro nano electronics and its application, where he has discussed energy efficient transistor design, advantages, issues, and limitations. Also discussed various emerging nanoscale devices, mainly tunnel field effect transistors, its basic fundamental working and application. In second session, Dr. Ankush Beg, Assistant Professor, IIT Mandi, delivered a talk on engineering gallium oxide based nanostructure and thin film for high performance deep UV photodetectors, where he discussed about the need of wide band gap semiconductors for photodetector application. He also discussed the fabrication activity that they are carrying out at IIT Mandi, such as fabrication flow of tin doped gallium oxide based deep UV photodetectors using IDE patterns. He has also discussed in depth the material characterization of the gallium oxides, thin film, and electrical characterization of the fabricated photodetectors using performance metrics. In day five, first session, Dr. Kaushik Nayak, Assistant Professor, IIT Hyderabad, delivered a talk on device random fluctuation in nanoscale MOSFET, where he discussed about the major MOSFET performance metrics such as drive current, threshold voltage, off current, and short channel effect. He also discussed about how the MOS transistor evolved with continuous technology scaling from bulk MOSFET to stacked gate all around and nanowire FET. His talk was also focused on random fluctuation in MOSFET and how this leads to a device performance degradation. He also reviewed current ongoing research in his group at IIT Hyderabad. In this last session, second session of today, Dr. Ambika Prasad Saha, Assistant Professor, IIT Jammu, delivered a talk on reliability and security issues in VLSI circuit and system, where he gave in-depth knowledge about the key reliability and security issues of VLSI circuit. He provided the extremely relevant talk from reliability point of view of VLSI circuit and system. So, as a summary or overall conclusion, what I can feel is that this short-term training program is a unique, actively undertaken by Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Delhi Technological University, which is really a need of the hour to share knowledge in the academy community by organizing this type of program. I am privileged to part of this short-term training program. Once again, I want to thank Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir, Delhi Technological University, Chief Patron of this short-term training program. Now, I would like to invite Professor N.S. Raghavan Sir, HUD, EC Department, DTU, to kindly give the valedictory address.
Thank you, Dr. Sumit Kale, who is the coordinator and also the assistant professor of Electronics and Communication Department, Delhi Technological University. Really today I feel overwhelmed with the valedictory function, which has been the conclusion of the superb short-term training program on emerging nanoscale devices, circuits, and its application, Nano DC 2021. I think more and more such type of training programs will be conducted by the Department of Electronics and Communication under the leadership of Sumit Kale as well as Sachin Dariwal. Other faculty members also will try to provide their full support to do such type of wonderful short-term training programs. Really, I welcome all of you for this valedictory function who were taking strain and stress for all these 5 days to hear at least 2 hours to 4 hours a day continuously taking a challenge for online courses, which is not an easy task to attend, because the faculty generally are habituated to teaching, not for hearing. It is very difficult, I know, but online is very, very difficult. Still, the faculty members, every time I join, I used to see at least 70 to 100 faculty members who have joined and hearing the sessions. And I appreciate all the faculty who has been a resource person for this short-term training program. And they are none other than one of the eminent personalities in their own area and giving such a great input to the people who are going to be the near future researchers as well as the PhD creators. So these are the people who are going to create the world in the next few years. At this very uncontrollable pandemic time, still the people who are suffering from and they are trying to help the other people in this pandemic time have taken time for 4 days an hour and attending such a course is really commendable. I thank one and all who have attended this and really appreciate my chief patron, Professor Yogesh Singh, Vice Chancellor of our university, and my dear colleagues, Dr. Sumit Kale as well as Sachin Dariwal, to conduct such type of short-term training program. It is DTU's privilege that whenever any person comes and asks for such courses or such programs or FDPs, faculty development program, and any 1 day, 1 week, 2 days, any program, Professor Yogesh Singh, Vice Chancellor, will never say no, and he gives his nod immediately and says that you go ahead. That is his great leadership. And with such type of leadership, I think we can conduct many more programs in near future. And all my faculty members who are joined today as well as hearing today will surely create such wonderful programs and have a good network and develop the good network and give such wonderful programs. I once again thank Dr. Sumit Kale as well as Sachin Dariwal to conduct such a program, and all the faculty members who have joined to such a wonderful program today and the last 4 days, and had very good sessions and interactive sessions, I feel so. I think I need not give again what has happened on first day to fifth day. The reason behind it is Sumit Kale has given in detail explanation of all these things. And I really once again thank all the resource persons who have come forward to give their knowledge, spread their knowledge, and help the other faculty members to learn some things and create some information or something which will be useful for producing PhDs and MTechs or BTech projects. I wish all the participants would have gained some knowledge about the subject emerging nanoscale devices circuits and how these circuits can be applied to different applications. Thank you one and all, and I hand over to Sachin Dariwal to continue with the things.
Thank you so much, sir, for your motivation and positive words. We are privileged to have your mentorship with us. Thank you, sir. Now,
Thank
I
you.
would like to invite our co-coordinator of the program, Mr. Sachin Dariwal, Assistant Professor, EC Department, to give vote of thanks.
Namaste and very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I, Sachin Dhariwal, co-coordinator of this short-term training program and assistant professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, on behalf of organizing committee and Department of ECE DTU, I heartily thank you for sparing your valuable time to grace this occasion. Especially, I would like to thank our convener of this short-term training program, Professor N.S. Raghava sir, HOD of EC Department DTU. Thank you so much, sir, for being glorious part of this event. It is our absolute pleasure to have you with us today. I would like to thank our beloved Vice Chancellor, sir, Professor Yogesh Singh, for his continuous support and encouragement in organizing this short-term training program. I also want to thank co-coordinator of this short-term training program, Dr. Sumit Kale, for his planning and conducting this program smoothly even in this difficult time of pandemic. I would like to thank all the respected participants who had blessed us with their presence throughout the program. I also generously appreciate the passion reflected by all the participants listening to the invited speaker of the program. I once again want to congratulate to all the participants for the active participation in the short-term training program and making themselves a warrior in current challenges. With these words, I would like to conclude my vote of thanks. Keep learning. Wish you a very happy, healthy, and safe life ahead. Thank you. Sumit sir, you are not audible.
You cannot hear. Now you can.
Yes, yes, we can hear
Yeah.
you.
Okay. So now I would like to request to all the participants to share their feedback and experiences for this short-term training program. One participant at a time can share their feedback and experience on mic. So anyone who wants to share can share their feedback.
You can also share your experience of this short-term training program. How was your experience of this program?
You can just turn on your mic and you can say what you have feel in this 5 days program, what you have learned in this 5 days program.
Good evening, sir. I'm Deepak.
Good evening.
This HTTP on Nano DC 2021 is very useful program, which is giving a focused areas in which the faculty or the scholars can work in a successful way. And the organization of this events, various sessions by Sumit sir as well as Sachin sir are very good. Timely starting and timely ending. This is a very useful for both faculty and research scholars. Thank you, sir.
Thank
Anyone,
you.
another one wants to
Good evening,
share
sir.
their, yes, yes.
Good evening, sir. Myself, Dr. Rajita from Srinidhi Institute of Science and Technology. Actually, this is a wonderful program which was taken by initiation by both sirs, coordinators. I want to thank the coordinators. And whatever so far I have attended, I observed that here punctuality they have maintained very well. So morning also and afternoon, evening sessions also very sharp according to the schedule only. And apart from that, I wish to convey one more thing. The coordinators have done a lot of work to choose the resource persons also. Why? Because the resource persons are well knowledgeable and they have a lot of patience in answering the queries also. Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving me the opportunity and organizing a wonderful STP. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for the appreciation. And for the punctuality point of view, I would like to say that whenever the session was about to start, so before the session itself, we keep on getting messages from the participants to start the session. So I want to thank for that thing to the participants. With that, we will be able to maintain those timing. Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Nice, sir. In future also, we will look forward to participate this kind of programs organized by your people.
Thank
Definitely,
you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Any other participants can share their knowledge?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening.
Good evening.
Myself, Mr. Sugit Sethi, sir. I have attended all the lecture sessions of Delhi Technological University STTP program, and I think all the lectures are wonderful and as per the knowledge of learners who are doing their PhDs and MPhil in the field of electronics, physics, and chemistry. Sir, I am also doing my PhD in the field of electrochemistry. So I am looking for that. I hope that in future the organizing committee of DTU will organize FDP program on microcontroller based devices or any other field of the microelectronics. Thank you.
Sure, sure. Thank you. We'll keep your suggestion in mind, and we'll be happy to like organize such kind of events in future. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Is anybody there who wants to give?
Okay, so due to time constraints, most of our fellow participants could not propose their feedbacks. Hence, I kindly request you all to submit your feedback to the coordinator and co-coordinator email ID mentioned on the brochure of this short-term training program. Friends, your valuable suggestion and healthy criticism will always help us to excel. Before we close this short-term training program, I would like to ask everyone in this meeting to switch on their camera so that we can take a group photo. I will share this photo with you all along with the e-certificates. So please have a smile on your face and you can turn on your camera. So in 1 second, we can take a photo of this program. Sir, you just
So
close
please,
your attendance.
everyone, please switch on your camera so that we can have a group photo.
Sachin sir, you just remove
Yes, I
the
will. I will
presentation.
click the photo, sir.
No, remove this
Okay, okay.
presentation.
Just a minute.
You just click now and again once.
I think Smith Kala, you have to smile.
I think we all should smile. Yeah.
Because this is a real great responsibility that he has fully completed without having any difficulty, I think so.
I will again
Even
request.
Sachin,
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Everyone to switch on your camera. Dr. Ajita ma'am, please switch on your camera so that we can have a group photo. Everyone.
Pramod Shubhakar and
Uh,
Ajita madam, please
Ajita ma'am.
switch on your
Please switch on your
cameras.
camera, Ajita ma'am.
Yes, sir. I'll switch on.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now, Sachin, is it okay? You can go
Yes, sir.
ahead.
I have taken 4 to 5 photos. Yes, sir.
Thank you all participants.
Thank you all participants. We will
Thank you
try
all
to
for
do
attending.
whatever we can do it in the near future.
Now I want to thank you all for making this short-term training program a great success, and we will be happy to see you all in our future events also. Thank you everyone for taking out your precious time in this hard time of COVID-19 pandemic. Please be safe and happy learning. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you everyone for attending this program. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.